Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And just a quick reminder, channel memberships are available. All right, folks, I am really excited about the two knives I have on the table in front of me. These were sent to me by RoseCraft to review. And I know you guys say, well, you do a lot of RoseCraft and you're always excited about RoseCraft. No, I am really excited about these knives, and I'll tell you why. I have a problem with my fingernails. They're very brittle, and on some fixed traditional knives, slip joints, I have trouble opening them. Well, these are the cure for that problem. This is the RoseCraft blades, Elk River Easy Open Jack. So let's get them out of the boxes. First one we have here is in the Blue Denim Micarta, and the second one we have here is in the Rosewood. So let's get these out of the way, and then let's get these out of the boxes and show you what we have. And we'll start with the Rosewood. I mean, both knives are essentially the same other than the colorway, but look at the Rosewood. First thing you're gonna notice is that beautiful skull inlay, which I love everything skulls. So that's the first thing that appeals to me. You're gonna look, you've got these beautiful rosewood handles with the stainless steel bolsters. The liners are stainless steel. Let me get those in front of the camera. Again, the liners are stainless steel, and it's got that easy opening. There's no nail nick. Instead, you have a carve right here to allow you to grab it with your fingers. Now, this blade is really awesome. It's a lamb's foot style in a D2 steel. And if you look on the back, you can see Andy's maker's mark right there. Hopefully we can get that in camera. So this is a Andy Armstrong design, and this is based off of an old IXL pattern and was reimagined by Andy, and just fantastic. One, it's a 3-finger knife, but because of the carve right there, it holds your finger really well. It's got a half stop. It's got an excellent walk and talk, but look, so easy to deploy. I mean, that's just what I love right there. So let's talk about this spec-wise. So let's get a little ruler out here. And so the blade length is just over 2.5 inches, which is really nice. And the overall length on it comes in at a little bit more, yeah, about 6.25 inches. So really fantastic. I think it's a really nice size for EDC. Small enough to carry around, you know. And the closed length on it, let's get that measured up, is about 3.5 inches. So really good size, great for the pocket, you know, and really light. This comes in at 2.3 ounces. Again, it's a D2 steel blade, which is, if you know D2 steel, it's a fantastic steel. Yes, it's not corrosion proof, but it holds an edge. It's easy to sharpen. You know, it's fantastic. And I love the lamb's foot blade on that. Just fantastic. And it's highly polished, looks great. So now let's take a look at the Denim Micarta. Look at that. Again, that skull inlay is fantastic. And if I didn't say it before, the pins on here are nickel. So nickel silver pins. And they are flush. You don't feel them at all. You barely feel the inlay, you know, but you don't feel the pins. They are perfectly sanded and leveled with the micarta. And again, you've got that easy open, that great walk and talk. Look at that. Look how great that micarta looks. And again, I'm a sucker for anything with a skull on it. You guys I've talked about before know my love of everything pirate. I even dress as a pirate for Renaissance fairs. So I have a love of everything pirate. And that's just fantastic. Again, the full 3-finger grip, but you get an extra kind of added bonus right there because of the cutout. Holds it really well. And because it's got a nice, half stop, you don't have to worry about closing on yourself. I think these two blades look stunning. Like I said, I've got very brittle fingernails, and you've seen me struggle at times to open up traditional slip joint knives with a nail nick. You've watched me struggle on the channel. So this is the cure for that. I think these are a home run. And like I said, I know you've heard me say that before, but I think these two have instantly become my favorite RoseCraft traditional knives. And I thank Andy for sending them over for me to check out. Now, a little bit of news, speaking of Andy, I spoke to Andy recently, and I asked him if he would come on one of the Sunday night lives. And he agreed. We're going to do it at a future date. I'll announce that. That should be a lot of fun. He'll give us the update on all things RoseCraft and what's going on in the knife world and get his perspectives. And I think that's just going to be a blast. All right, folks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And leave me some comments. Tell me what you think of these knives. Like I said, I think they're fantastic. And I think they're at a great price point. RoseCraft just makes excellent traditional slip joint knives. And I don't think these could be beat for the price. All right, folks. As I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp